Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by launching Google Earth and loading the location you want to travel back from. Once the map and imagery finish loading, make sure you can see the timeline or clock icon. This exposes historical imagery. If you're on the web, click the clock or menu to reveal the time slider. If on desktop, enable historical imagery under the View menu. This step unlocks past imagery layers, so do it now before attempting to scrub dates or change altitude. Once the time slider is visible, drag the handle slowly to the left to step back through dates. You'll see imagery update as you move. You can also click year markers for course jumps, then fine-tune using smaller increments. Make sure to adjust camera zoom and tilt, because some historical photos appear only at specific angles or altitudes. If movement is choppy, pause and let high-resolution tiles load. This ensures an accurate view of the older imagery you want to inspect. When you reach the historical date you need, pause the slider and fine-tune the camera, then save a place mark or project so you can return. If the past imagery doesn't appear, try zooming out or in and rescrubbing the slider because some older tiles only load at specific zooms. If tiles still fail, clear the app cache or reload Google Earth. This often resolves display glitches. Finally, remember that availability varies by area, so some dates may be absent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.